Hi, I'm Erin, a design consultant here at Lamont Bros, and I'm really excited to share with you a story about a bathroom that we just completed for a delightful couple in Lake Oswego. We were invited into their home for a tub to shower conversion, and we were able to modernize the space, giving them functionality and a spa-like experience in their guest bath. So initially when we met the clients, one of the issues that they had with their space, although relatively new construction, was it had a deep soaking tub.
Kind of a humdrum thing.
This was not something that they wanted for themselves or for their guests. It didn't suit their lifestyle.
I knew that I wanted something more modern and a shower, period.
So in our initial conversations with the clients, their concern was contractors coming in their house. They're going to have people in there who were going to be there for a number of weeks. Once Kristen met the team, those nerves were laid to rest.
I had never been home when a project was ongoing, but it turned out to be very pleasant.
One of the obstacles that we overcame in the design process was, and I wouldn't necessarily call it an obstacle, just an observation. The clients had a beautiful color palette that went throughout the entire house. It was very consistent, it's muted, and so we really wanted to take that into consideration as we were adding the different tile to the space.
Monochromatic, if you will, and it turned out just the way I wanted it to, and it's brought light and happiness.
Another issue that we and this would be more of an issue, in the construction process, we had decided to remove the wall where the plumbing was at so that we would be able to have the natural light from the window. Once we started removing the wall where the plumbing, your tub and your shower was at, we discovered that there was a plumbing stack there. And our great on-site work crew was able to work through that and really make it so it wasn't even an issue. It was an afterthought. We now have that beautiful light coming through the custom shower glass doors, and the plumbing is now on the opposite wall.
I don't think there were any hurdles that weren't met. Actually, they made it pretty easy for me to enjoy the whole project.
I was so excited to see this project at its completion, having sat with the clients to look at the different design details, having seen pictures from the crew on site as they were working through the project. I couldn't wait until I was able to go out there and see it in person, and it didn't disappoint. It was so pretty. It looked like it had always been there intentionally with the rest of the design from the house. I was so excited for these clients to just have this magnificent spa-like space.
All I can say is it's a wow factor. Actually, jump in the shower and try it out.
Overall, I really think that the clients enjoyed their experience through the design process and the construction process, but I gotta say, I think by the end, they were ready to adopt the crew on site. I really think there was a lot of love there.
I absolutely loved Chris and Nathan, who did this amazing work. As a matter of fact, I told them I wanted to adopt them.
If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're excited to do your own bathroom remodel. And if you live in the Portland metro area, please reach out and contact us. Also, I'd love for you to keep doing your own research and educating yourself on what it means to remodel your bathroom. I highly recommend the Ultimate Bathroom Remodel Guide. It's going to give you a lot of really great information as you move forward in this process. Really look forward to working with you on your next project.